Happy good morning. So it is like 9 o'clock. Yeah, I slept longer than I thought. I got up at like 8 and watched Polo, talked to Wanda, and crashed back out, like literally passed out. So we've already docked here in Costa Maya. About to head up and get some breakfast and then see what other kind of shenanigans we get into. I plan on doing like the ropes course today and go and see parrots and birds, all that kind of stuff, but we'll see what happens. Welcome to Always on the Move. Help me out, cows. Move. Alright, I'm enjoying my breakfast here at Center Stage. This is a very peaceful place. I'm outside Bonsai Sushi. I'm on deck 8. I'm very peaceful. I actually watch them wash the windows with their little machine, so that's pretty cool. But the dining room, or the Lido, was really busy, and so I ate my breakfast there. I ate the shack bacon, egg, and cheese, and that was really good. But I wanted some like dessert type stuff and some juice, and so I came down here, and it's very peaceful and quiet. Let me show you around. They even had a nice view. Of course, it's Costa Maya, but still, it's peaceful and quiet. How many people? Just got back from the room and look what do I have. He's gonna join his friends over there in the window. Finalized my plans. I've still not made it off the ship, but my goal is to go do the bird exhibit here in the port of Costa Maya. So let's see if that actually happens. I've heard it's like $12. I watched the Jacob family on YouTube, and that looked pretty cool. So I was like, let me go check that out. And I booked my Roatan tour. I was going to Costa Maya without seeing the flamingo. You're wrong. Look at flamingos waiting in line to go see the bird exhibit. Some beautiful birds. Got my cup of food. Gonna go feed the birds. This looks like it's gonna be very exciting.
It was scary.
The views up here from the top of the port are beautiful. Just spin real quick. For the bridge to clear. Ooh, it's a swinging bridge. Here's the pool you ever walk. So cool. Coconut from a tree. Say hello to my little friend. It's peacefully resting. Beautiful bird. 3 little birds sitting on my window. Uh-oh, got a dancer. Work the pole. Work the pole. Look at him being mysterious. Uh-oh, someone's crazy with this one. I told you it's the crazy room. They're coming at me. coming at me. I'm attracted to crazy. I'm an ex-girlfriend. Oh my gosh, y'all. Like,
it feels so funny on your head.
smile for the camera, bird.
I don't even care. Oh my god.
Now this is different.
Yeah, definitely. Oh, that was loud. It is. This one likes me.
No.
Oh, gosh. You just made some of the food go down my... Oh, we took your stuff on.
Alright, we're gonna walk, birds.
We're gonna walk, birds. Holy cow.
Hello. Okay, what's behind the curtain? My camera cooperate.
And those birds took like all my time.
There we go. Ain't you a pretty bird? Ooh, you got posing for the camera. Behind the palm fronds, we have a sneaky bird. Sneaky yellow bird. Hello. Just cleaning myself off.
Your cup.
So it says hold on to your cup, and it just took this guy's cup, and it's making it rain. Greedy bird.
Give me some out.
He'll drop it.
Yeah, he's gonna drop it at you. Say, I want some more. Just a swinging. Swinging, swinging. You want some, don't you? Woo, Jesus. Hello.
Yeah, I know. I forgot.
Look at that necklace this bird's got on it. Beautiful. Okay. I'd like for you to fly off now. Okay, that bird did not want to let go. The lady behind me had to get the bird off, like, trying to pet it. That was funny. So I got my cup, unlike the other guy. Look at this universe. Look at it. Oh, we can see the dolphins too. Ow. Look, of course the ships. Oh, so how, y'all? This is what it's all about.
Yeah, come to me. Yeah.
Hello, Nikki.
Thank you. Yes, thank you.
Yeah.
They weigh very little.
Oh, we got two on the ground. Are they gonna fight it out? What are they gonna do? Okay, the tropical parakeets, that was amazing. That was so much fun. Oh, definitely worth $12. Now for the macaws. Hello, Brock. Your name is Brock? Okay, just finishing this tour of the bird sanctuary. I don't know how to pronounce that. Just gonna call it bird sanctuary. That was fun. That was like an hour and a half, I want to say. So definitely worth $12, and look what all you get to do. No brainer. So I think I'm gonna go back to the ship and enjoy the Serenity deck. Alright, size does matter, y'all, because look how big Mardi Gras is compared to the Pride. It's just on the Pride back in December, and this ship feels like almost double the size of it. It's huge. They got brilliance and seas, and a whistleblower. You can never go wrong with a guy's burger, so I had to have one. And then I found my favorite bartender from the Alchemy Bar, Genevieve, and she made me my favorite drink, a Miami Vice. Yeah, let's go. Well, it is about 3:05. I've made it back into the cabin. I spent the last few hours eating. I didn't need that long. I had a guy's burger, and then I went and got in the hot tub. Or no, I got in the Serenity pool, and that was freezing. So I only sat there, and then I ended up getting in the hot tub, and that felt great. So then I was just laid out for an hour or so. Hopefully I'm not too burned. I kept on putting on sunscreen, but I've decided to come back in, put on some closed-toe shoes, and go do the ropes course. So I'm gonna get my GoPro, hopefully it's charged, and see how that goes. So let's see what I get into. All right, just got done doing the ropes course. Took me a whopping 15 minutes because I got scared right there. I wasn't gonna do the zip line thing. I've not really zip lined before, and I was like, kind of skeptical about doing it. So I just took my time, and that's fine. Throwing this footage right here, whatever I got. At least I tried it, you know. Now, I did enjoy it. It was fun. But in the beginning, it's just, woof. The lady's like, you want to do it again? I'm like, let me think about that. I'm not fully committed on it. So, but I did get to see the other two Carnival ships in, and then there's one. Oh, I'm sorry. That's Carnival, and that's Royal. And the Pride's over here. So, that was pretty cool getting to see all those ships from above. And, you know, our ship is definitely taller, so we can see over it. It finally happened to me. After the ropes course, I played putt-putt. Had a blast, what have you. Well, I decided that I needed some ice cream in my life, or some froyo. Okay, so I got me a cup of it. Well, actually, I got me a cone. Started doing the making of it, swirling it around, making it all look fancy. And the last part was lumpy, so long story short, I had to get a cup and just dump it in there. Well, I proceeded to go downstairs to the Lido from deck 17 to 16. I was like, I'll give me some silverware, you know, like spoon. I can have a spoon and just eat with a spoon, what have you, or fork. Worst comes to worst. Yeah, the Lido was closed until I think 5:30, 6 o'clock, sometime like that. And I was like, okay, that's fine. So I'm like, I'll just go back up to 17 where I got it, and I can go to Guy's Burger. Shut it up to begin with. Oops. I didn't make it to 17. I didn't make it, but 2 or 3 steps up to 17. I tripped and I fell. There went my ice cream, there went my cup of water. I wasn't hurt. None of my gear was hurt, but oops. So then I went ahead and went back down to Lido and got me some hot chocolate because I love their hot chocolate. I'm about to chill out for a few minutes, let my phone charge, then go watch some electric violin, and then probably do pig and anchor tonight for dinner. Sounds pretty tasty. Dinner was good, but the Mississippi mud pie was very, very dry. Ice cream didn't really help it. So I think later on, I gotta have my banana Foster thing. sounds pretty tasty. So I'm gonna go see some live music and then Deal or No Deal. Or no, it's the show, then Deal or No Deal. So let's see what we get into. As my kids would say, oh my lordy lord, this was bussin'. Oh, was amazing. Definitely worth like the couple dollars it was. What a fun night this has been. After dinner, I ended up going and seeing the M Theory show. Yeah, and they're trying to get you to believe in magic and all this kind of stuff, and I'm like, no, sorry, I've done enough technical stuff and I understand how that works. So I did not believe their jargon, their stuff. So then I walked out and I thought Deal or No Deal was tonight, and it was on the schedule. It was on the Hub app for tonight. Well, they had technical issues or something, and they could no longer do Deal or No Deal, so they moved to Love and Marriage. The first Love and Marriage was packed, of course, so I didn't get a seat. So I ended up finding some live music to watch, and really enjoyed it. The Brass Magnolia, that was awesome. And I got my pin for being a gold cruiser. My first gold trip. See, got the gold card to prove it. And then I ended up going again to see Love and Marriage, and it was really good. So the couples, I was like, they're older couples, they're not gonna make it as fun. And one of the guys, just of course the oldest couple, did not understand the ice cream reference. How many times, or where's the weirdest place you've had ice cream? He said the bedroom. So then I stayed in the theater because they're like, well, you know, you stay in here, we have finished the lyric. So it's already 11:08. And I know I gotta go to bed because I have to be up and off the ship by 9:30 in the morning so I can go see Monkeys and Sloths. Last time, back in December, I had a blast with the Monkeys and Sloth, and I'm like, I gotta do it again. I'm going back to Roatan. Hopefully I can Roatan. And Roatan. So, remember to like and subscribe to this video, or to my channel, and be sure to check out the next vlog in Roatan.